Lucas, morning, Ken. Big day today. We got SpaceX IPO. Depending how SpaceX IPO does, we could see the market react to that. The whole Iran peace deal looks like it's going forward. Obviously, there's always back and forth with Iran saying no, they don't have a deal, and then later on they say, "Yo, yeah, we have a deal, but we don't agree on certain things." So a little bit of posturing back and forth, but it looks like it seems like they're gonna agree to something soon and sign it. That's what we all hope for. So this time looking more serious because it's gonna be bad for the Trump administration or any campaign going towards 4th of July with high elevated oil prices and stuff, and we're close to election cycle. So yeah, he wants to wrap it up, preferably before his birthday, so he has something to brag about. But I don't care. I just want that to end so that we can have a straightforward market to trade. Um, any data today? I don't think so. And MOU with the U.S. is under internal review. That's at 6:14. That's so yeah. The claim of signing the agreement on Sunday in Geneva is pure falsehood for wow. They just bunch of back and forth, but I think they get the deal signed. 7 o'clock we got University of Michigan sentiment. I mean, this is always give you a false reaction at first, and then the real move because it's such a bias base um survey. It's always one side, like one. In other words, they're all left leaning. So, of course, they're not gonna like anything Trump does. So, kind of bias. I don't know why they have stuff like that. I wouldn't. Majority of the group is so biased. Like it doesn't make sense. The data should be data. It shouldn't be biased data. Make no use of it. Going sniper. Locking my XFA up 204 from Asia, and then hopefully I can pass this 150K today. Um, Need about 2,200. No, sorry, I need about oh yeah, 2,200. 2,200 will pass. So let me adjust it. Settings. Make it 22 and 50 just in case of slippage. Liquidate. Save. So, morning sniper. We seem to have like triple top here on a London high and sold off. If somehow prices manage to break above this high, hold, and break above London high, retest hold, we can aim for that 30,000 even. That's a like nice psychological number there. So that's my target on the upside. Now on the downside, flip side, if we fail, break Asia low, we test it low, and then just break London low here, right? We could probably come back down all the way to. I miss a big miss, but yeah, we can test this lows again. Um, I don't think we're gonna be having such a bad day, but we'll see. I think I'm kind of bullish on this today. There will be like a lot of like shuffling around because hedge funds have to offload a certain amount of stocks and stuff to balance the sheet and get some of those SpaceX IPO. So that will be interesting on what they're willing to dump. Um, I could imagine maybe some software tech company they're not doing so well. Maybe some. Let's see what else company not doing so well. What's up, Papa? What's up, T?
Or
Or maybe some crypto company they're not doing so well too. Yeah, I'm just curious. What are they gonna dump? Oh, we have nuclear play doing good. Good. I I'm looking at some option. Looking at because um maybe Amazon today could do well if SpaceX does well because of the epoxy play. So I want to look at that Amazon today. Amazon. Remember, Amazon has a Blue Origin. They're also into space exploration. A cheaper name, cheaper play. If you want to play the pox of this, is Space SPCE. I think that's Virgin Galactic. I think I'm gonna go look at it, but I think it's one of those. This is a cheap stock, but I think the option contract there for it should be nice due to SpaceX IPO. I'm gonna look at that to space. Yeah, Virgin Galactic Holding. Oh shit, they're up like 21% already. So, yeah, I'm looking at that. Did down a lot. We'll see. That could be a good play, a cheap play. Take it all back to $6, 7. Is SpaceX ticker already up? I see that. See if I can find it. SpaceX. Oh, it's not on Trading View, huh? SpaceX company levels. Only day, week, and available. So switch to day interview. Count. Me? New account? No. I've been having a 150K account. Just haven't passed it yet. This is the express account that just passed, but yeah, I've been trading on the 150K account for at least a week or two. Oh, since Monday. Yeah, since Monday. So last week, since last week, I had a bad start, but then caught back up. Up around 3,500 this week so far. If I have a green day today, that's great. Would love to pass it today. Did have a bad day early on the London session with my Beta 550 funded account though. Wiped out the whole week progress. Hit max DLL at 3,000. Uh, Still got a chance for pay up, but now it just takes a little bit longer though. It happens. I was let's just say I was trying to along at the open, not open, but here top, hoping to break out here, and it just keeping crashing, crashing, crashing. trying to catch that dip, thinking it's not gonna catch some more, and they just keep selling off, selling off. I was catching knives on London. In other words, not fun. Ooh, Adobe selling off. Ooh, that shit. Yeah, I think IGV sells off today. Nobody likes software. Mm. 4 minutes market open. If SpaceX does well in IPO, we're gonna have a good day. If SpaceX does bad, then yeah, we might have a bad day. Not so worried, not so much worried about the Iran peace deal anymore. There's been back and forth all night about it. I think agreement will be reached. Look at the oil prices, just been dumping, right? Yeah, we're back as low as 83. We did climb back up to 85, but the trend is down. If you look at zoom out 1 day trend, it's just been coming down, coming down. So that's bullish. I think market's trying to price in that peace deal, like final peace deal. I also have TNX is also has declined a lot off of that peace deal rule, so that's helpful too. We're at 4.49. Still needs to drop some more though, but that's a start. Could be a start of a move. QQQ SPY getting a little bounce here. In the open, I want to see it stay above the London and Asia high to stay on the bears to stay in the bullish bias. If it dropped below any of these level here, yeah, then my bias start to flip to short. Cause then it will violate that structure. Start to make that freaking full M pattern. Of course, it bounced near Asia low. That'd have been a good one. Damn it. I might have to go a little bit aggressive today too. If I want to pass it today. Get that out. All right, market open. Switch to my 5 minute chart. Gonna get a little crazy. All right, let's analyze some stuff here. We got Amazon selling off early. XLK selling off early. SMH selling off early. Damn, space down for 16%. Fuck. Never mind, that space down way too much. I don't think that could recover today. more on the mic, less. So far, everything is like a bearish open. All right, getting to the bounce here now from Tesla, Google, Apple, Meta. More bounce. Nvidia is not participating. SMH, XOK, still very bearish. Look like we're selling off. Look like we're selling off hard here. We're reaching Asia low here. Trying to test this London low. Now my buys lean kind of bearish. Mm. QQQ and all right, we got the 5 minute orb high, low. Hmm. I swear, is it doing this orb reversal already? Looks like T caught it. I bet you T caught it. Oh my boy. Fucking perfect. That's a big move if you caught that. Like I don't know, depending how where you caught it. If you caught it down here T, like you just predict that fucking orb reversal. You're a beast if you did. Uh I could not catch shit like that. Oh, nice reaction from XOK. Nice reaction from SMH. It flipped bullish pretty fast there. Nice bounce on Nvidia too. Nice bounce on Tesla. Apple's weak. Meta's weak again. Google's weak again. But SMH and XOK is making that push. Very nice push. I will let the market settle. I'm not in a hurry right now. I'm looking for or high or low. But yeah, SMH is doing good things right now. So is XOK. Good thing. Wow, Nvidia's pushing hard. Tesla pushing up hard. We don't have a full participant from the Mag 7 though. Like Amazon's still weak, Google's still weak, Apple's still weak, Meta's still weak. And it looks like software is getting dumped because Microsoft is down, Palantir is down, financials up. We did create a failure gap here too. One-minute failure gap. My screen will be right back. Um, uh, Switching to Peter Tar's live algo on Discord. So he's a very good subscription that I subscribe to. One of the best market analysts. Very, very useful tool. Costs just as much as my Discord, but has so much feature. Like this guy is a smart man. Like I sound smart, but trust me, I'm just relaying everything from this guy. I'm learning everything from like the smarter guy. That's it. You don't gotta be the smartest guy in this market. You just gotta learn from the smartest guy. This guy is fucking on point by everything. Look like we're holding here, making a push. The risky play always in the middle of the range. Like it's always risky play, but you get the maximum upside if you catch it right. But it's always the riskiest. It's in the range, mid range. Like let's say you want long here, that is risky, right? But that risk is will pay off if it breaks or high. You catch the fresh move and the early move instead of waiting for the break and retest and do all that. That's a safer play. But it still will pay out. But it's like I said, it's a safer play. This is a riskier play where if it doesn't work, it just fell because we're in the middle of this chop of this orb high and upload. But man, orb reverse right here. Fuck, you got paid there, T. We're breaking out of this. Also a bearish failure gap there. I call it. It came down here. We wicked, broke out. Oh shit! Look at that. And that's why that's why I said it's risky. Holy shit! Where the fuck did that came from? My God! All right, is that news? Cause that shit nasty. Wow! I don't know where that came from. I'm trying to see. It's Apple just madly dropped. What else? What else caused that? That was a that was a huge spike down. My God! Continue to come down lower. I'm looking to see if there's any news. I don't see anything. You guys see any news for this move? Let me know.
I think Trump was on Truth Social.
Ah, you little bastard. What did he say now? Not on my feed yet. I'm trying to look right now. Used to X is pretty good. I have followed Zero Head. He's pretty good. Fast. Adobe. Adobe. Yeah.
Trump's just talking shit about Iran. They
Oh,
leaked stuff.
the leaks and okay. All right. Well, this move is happening right now. Um, broken evil blow. My
Yeah, he's saying both agreements don't match.
okay. Okay. So it's bearish event. Okay. So let's see if we can get a retest. Age low, age high, and we can start shorting this shit. London low is getting tested right now. London low getting tested. Things are selling off. Bearish candle so far coming in. London low is getting defended right now. We break underneath London low pretty soon. Orb's getting tested too. Orb low getting retested too here. We like any like all this structure not to hold, so that we can short this. London cold holding. Gotta be careful. London hold is holding here. Took out Asia low. Broke underneath orb low, but the London low is what I'm looking for too. Came back into this very gap and just that's based off news and just killed it. Killed it. Yeah, it's like what the fuck. Yeah, Lucas. Welcome to Trump's fucking market, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me see. They show it now. There we go. Yep. It turns out. Yeah, good fade. I mean, amazing. Also, this Holy Week buffer drone attack last night. Yeah. So just keep attacking shit. A little back and forth still. Uh, Asia low rejected. Came back test rejected. Still holding the London low. I think we if this candle turns bearish, I'm gonna fire my shot and go short. If this candle flip bearish, I'm going short. I like the rejection of the Asia low rating and we're underneath or below. Okay.
Order filled.
I'm hopping short here. And yeah, already up. My goodness. There we go. 700 bucks. I'm in short, guys. I hope you guys caught that enough. I am in short. Shit. Damn, don't do that. Don't do that. You on your way down, man. 259 is my entry. Stop is gonna be at 346. A TP, my TP is gonna be at 150. But because I don't need much for you guys, aim for 1 or 2. If you can, aim for 1 or 2. Jesus, the volatility right now, crazy. I'm in Tancon. You guys should not be in Tancon. I'm a little aggressive today, like I said. Don't be dumb like me. I have a 150K account. I know my risk. You guys trade with like a 50K account. You should be no more than like freaking 3 cons, man. Don't don't go crazy. You can come back with 3 cons loss. This is look at that. Oh my god, all the way down so much. Had that move and then just wow, volatility kicked in. I think don't get me stopped out. I'm gonna get stopped out now. The London low is getting defended pretty well there. Thought gonna break underneath and then just happened. The volatility is crazy. Still not. I still haven't stopped out yet. Most likely will get stopped out. Hopefully don't. I can get lucky. Come on, come back down. Uh, come on. I'm back down. I'm back down. Still under Asia low. Still under orb low here. Still got a chance now. We just gotta close underneath London low. Gotta close it. Get green candle. Red candle close underneath London low. Come on. Yeah, we go. Knife it down. Come on. Damn, they're defending it again. Oh man, I don't like this so far because estimation XOK is just making a real bit of rally right here. Don't like it anymore. I need them to sell off. Need them to sell off now. Make Meg 7 selling off right now, but XOK and SMH is trying to make a bounce here. I don't need that. Come on, sell off. There we go. Jesus. Indecision. Come on. Zooming out, was still on a little bit of downtrend. All right, we're back at the entry. Wow, this barcoding here, man. Come on. God damn. Definitely barcoding here. Shit. If you guys are uncomfortable with this price action, just take the loss here. I'm uncomfortable with it too. I'm gonna be honest. I'm out.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm out. Too much chop, barcoding, and it's just not that. And see, too much wicks here, and we're not getting the flush. It held the London low here. We got a slight move, and it just yeah. So I'm out. Yeah, I stopped out there. It's too much choppy action right there. There wasn't any follow through after that Trump tweet. Was not enough follow through to the downside. I think it's waiting for the Michigan sentiment that comes out in like 5 minutes now. That data is usually just negative. Has more reason to be negative data because war has not ended. Inflation is coming back up. Oil prices, you know the deal. They're already a biased group, so. But the reaction is always like quick reaction and just recover, and then the market doesn't care about that data anymore. It's just like a fast response. Look at that choppy mess. Oh my goodness. What a mess. Oil is creeping up at 86, 83. Oh, damn. Yeah, I figured you were long on the old reversal, but that Yeah, I could have. Yeah, you definitely would have stopped that, bro. You were gonna get it. You were gonna get it, man. I think the market was ready to rip up. Yeah, to see that's Trump's market. Dude. You just can't help it. Dude. Shit happen. If you on the wrong side of that shit, it's just unlucky. You know, it's not you. It's not your trading. Trust me. I've been on the wrong side of Trump tweet plenty of time to know. Um, when that happens, just don't take it too personal. That's just the market. That's just Trump market. That's not you. As a trader. No one can predict those moves. So random, it comes out of nowhere and just either you either you know the right side of that shit or the wrong side of it. You know. That London hold really well there and pushing up even after that Trump tweet. So that's really strong. I guess buy is pretty strong right now. Uh, based on everything so far, right? Even we got that Trump tweet sold off, and now look at that London low. We held it still. We're now back to Asian low, so that's pretty bullish so far. In my opinion, uh, that's very bullish action. I'm just waiting for 7 o'clock clear out, and then smooth selling from there. We can start just trading. Breaking trend here. I know the data usually is a bearish data, so that could cause some more volatility and just wick back down. But it's trying to break trend here. I think the next opportunity long, honestly, is if the safe long, right? If we break this right here, 29,471, the previous resistance area, and then we can get an early shot up to break orb high, framework high, and test that London high. All right, mission sentiment is out. Holding here. Oh wow, I guess they're very positive. Unusual, very unusual. Most likely, it's always come down this data. Breaking out trend, engulfing candle here. I want to be in a safe side and just wait till this break here. Just the safe side. But we're breaking trend, engulfing candle, looking very good towards the upside. XLK breaking out here too. So SMH. What will it do? What will it do? Can it break out of it? Can it break out of that? 471. Wait for this candle close. I think we can go long. Breaking out here with some strength. Oh yeah.
Order filled.
I'm going long. I look like a good push. I'll have my stop here at 417. I'm in long at 499. Not a great entry, but if you get long somewhere here, that's good. Let's aim for the London high. I do have a freaking deal that was 3,000, so my stop might be less than that, but your stop should be a 417. Come on, hold that 471, man. Oh, 471. Oh, 471. Oh, 471. Do that to me. You hold that shit. All right, I'm gonna be on the QQQ call too. 718 calls, 0 DTE. Taking my shot. If I get filled. Hopefully I get filled. Nope, didn't get filled, of course. Still alive though. Ah, I didn't get filled. All right, now I'm filled. seven, 18 calls. All right, we're up now. We're up now. We're back up. We're back up. Come on. It held that little pullback here. Come on, break out of orb high here. Previous day high, getting tested here. Let's break that out. Break out a previous day high. You got this. You got this. All right, 800, 900, $1,000 there. Come on. Blast off London High. Let's go. Come on. You can do it. Blast off like SpaceX. Let's go, guys. That's a good move for some of you guys. Manage your risk, trim some profit if you have to, trail your stop up to all those things, adjust your stop, all those things. Do all the right things. You guys been seeing me trade. Catch a nice move. Always thinking about taking some profit off, trail your stops. All of that matters. Yeah, I'm aiming to pass, so I'm holding this 10. But if this was the XFA, my ass would be trimming half already. I'm taking half of that 1K in an instant without even thinking about it. That's $500 locked in and adjusting break even right away. You know, on combine is a different story. You can risk a little bit more. You're trying to pass. You're trying to make a little money to pass. You take the extra risk. Come on, I think we can do it. Breaking out a previous day high. We're just kind of holding here. Oh, I know you got it in you, man. Just do it. Just want to adjust some more stops. I don't want to go too tight because I know I'm gonna get stopped out. Come on, just get a burst of energy there. Come and do it. Well, shit, gotta check my option. I should be up pretty good too. Ooh, $70. In the money, 16%. No. We going for that previous London high, son. Let's get that. I want 100%. Devin, of course, making that money. Oh, here we go, 16. So positive again, 3,000, right there, London high. All right, guys, you really start thinking about trimming some size and taking some profit. I don't know how much you guys are in, but that's a nice move. At least break even from your earlier loss earlier. So, you know, end today green. We're almost there to London high. That's what I'm aiming for. Aiming for that London high. XOK, that's the majors just ripping here. So that looking good for us. Just ripping. Let's go. Let's get a good Friday. Let's get a good Friday. $1,700. I'm almost there. Let me get a pass. Nvidia popping here. Meta's popping up. Apple's getting a dip buy here. That's good. Tesla bounce too. Google bounce strong. Amazon same thing. Things are looking positive. The market brushed off that Trump tweet. London low got defended. Asia low, back of Asia low. So yeah, a lot of things. We broke out this short-term freaking resistance. Yeah, so we made that move. Now we just need to break out. Come on. Give us that London high. Come on. Devin, we need some of your mojo. Good luck, bro. This guy been killing the small accounts. Oh no, don't know. I don't need a big pullback like that. I don't feel safe like that. Come on, don't do that to me. All right, all right, all right. I have to adjust the break even so that I have to give myself a second chance here. I don't want to, but I have to. It's such a big pullback. I have to put it to break even. That sucks that we can get that continuation after that. Oh man. Come on. Buy it back, push it. I could assume that would be a retest of the orb high here. And then explode from there. Retest orb high. Engulfing candle. This continuation now. Come on. Just go. Just go. Make that move. I've been there, Tom. Try to lose, all you do is win. Just for that stupid consistency rule. No. That sucks. Trying to lose on purpose is not fun.
Hey, they're anticipating that SpaceX IPO opens soon.
That's good. Maybe we will lift off with SpaceX. No pun intended. Come on. Take me to Mars, Elon. We almost there. Where's that magnet trick that people always use? Emoji. Oh, this was better. Where's that rocket? Go. Let's go. Come on, take it out, take it out. There we go, strong. Yes. We got that pullback and look at that rip. Ooh, this is looking good for London High. This is looking good, guys. It's looking good. Come on. Give it. Give it. Let's fly. Let's fly. Come on. Come on. Almost there. There, almost there. Almost pass. Almost pass. Good one, Lucas. Don't go first trade. We go to second one. Yeah. Hey, that might be the strategy, bro. You might unlock something there. Here we go. The rocket ship is lit. Come on, blast off, blast it off. Technically, only up $700 for the first loss. But a P&L right now is 21,000 unrealized. I need this thing to just London high to smash it. Come on, man. No more pullback. Just up, up, up from here. Come on. Shit, I forgot to look at my option. Come on, Q's is 20%. Oh, 22%. I think I'm just gonna lock in profit there then. 20% is not bad. You know. But then again, I'm almost a London high. Shit. You know what? I'm gonna hold it. I'll sell a London high. We must believe. We must believe. Regardless, like a lot of you guys should really just have a nice profit take there. Even if you didn't take profit here and you held those pullback, now we ran up there. That's still a lot of money. Yeah, that's almost a 1.5 risk reward. So you would have definitely made some money there. Oh, I know, UT. That sucks, bro. I know. It happens, man. You got Trump's unlucky fucking tweet, bro. Shit happens. But hey, look, my rocket's about to lit. Come on, catch up to my rocket. I'm flying without you, bro. Don't be allergic. Come on. 7:30. We'll still make this uptrend move. Things still looking good. Things still looking good. Just gotta be patient. Let it play out. Worst come to worst, we break even. At least for me. Damn. Come on. What a pullback. What the fuck? He did tweet again? God bastard. Oh my god, what did he say this time? That son of a bitch. Fucking hate Trump. Shut up for once. No, this is not Trump. Is it Trump? Not Trump. Okay, it's not you, Trump. This is the market. I'll take that back. But damn. Don't break even here. That's a strong pullback, man. I don't like it one bit. I think we're gonna break even.
Order filled.
Up. Break even. This rocket crashed. Ah, shit. Well, it is what it is. All right. Let's see if this retest of the orb holds. I'll probably go back in long. Wicked off of it. Engulfing candle, somewhat short like that, and I'll be back in. But we are definitely took a big pullback there. I think we're up like 22 or something there at one point. Yeah. I want to hold it to the London high. That would have passed me. Okay, I'm back in.
Order filled.
I'm going back in along here. Need at least 3,000 though. Back in long. It's holding the overpie, so let's see if we can do it. Back long at 539. Stop is gonna be at 484. TP, so still looking at a London high as TP. At 39. Stops at 484, and TP is at same spot as 668. What the fuck? What just happened? Come on, orb high retest, engulfing candle. Hold it. Hold it there. Lift off again. Lift off again. Last trade of the day for me. Yeah, it does look like that, but don't pay too much into that kind of chart pattern. That's not good for your trading. Some patterns are very obvious. Other patterns you're always gonna see it. If you look for it, have in mind it will always show up. Like subconsciously, just keep showing up, and it's gonna mess with your trading. Just follow chart pattern. Don't look at candlestick pattern. Don't keep looking at like chart pattern, bull flag. This and that. It's just Most of it is just because your eyes are trained to do that because your mind is trained to look for that pattern. And then you go against your buys and then you get conflicting buys and you don't know what to do. Like it's just too much. Just follow price action. Yeah, price action is way better than chart patterns. Because no matter what you do, you can zoom out. You zoom out, you see a different pattern, right? You zoom in, you see a different pattern. You switch to different time frame, you see a different pattern. So, like, how good are chart patterns? Candlesticks and volume will always tell you the right move at the right time. Like, that's accurate information you're getting. That's real time information you're getting. You just gotta make judgment for you know, that's a real engulfing candle in 1 minute. You have to make that's real buyer stepping in. You make that call. Okay, you want to step in with the buyers. That's where you come in. That's real time seller coming in. That's why I was like, oh damn, I think it's gonna stop out because that's real time candle. You see that? It's just a real sell. You don't need a chart to tell you head and shoulder tell you that seller stepped in. That's a big sell candle, right? And if you zoom out, you can see the buy step in right there. And then you just make your judgment. Trump tweeted, market sold off, market re-rally, brushed off that tweet. So it felt strong. That's why I thought I was like, okay, market's pretty strong. They didn't care for shit about that tweet. We broke that prior resistance. And then we just ran for a couple of points up, right? Like 30, 40 points, maybe 100 points up. It's based on that, just based on candlesticks, price action. There was no chart pattern, right? Basic trend line, sure. Basic trend line here, break. That's another confluence, right? But when you start looking for M shape, V shape, head and shoulders, da 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 da, and you're like, that's too much. Yeah, on a daily, I think those high time frames, those chart patterns probably has more weight to it. But in a low time frame, it doesn't do you so good. Does you no good. Yeah, just learn read price action. You can make a couple hundreds from doing that. Just like that. That's what Devin does really. But he does it on the micro, like a 5 seconds, like, and then he makes that judgment call, and he sized up pretty heavy. He take that fast move and he use it in and out, and depending on how he trails it, but that's how he scalps. It's been working for him, but it's definitely not easy. Like if in one wrong move, you're not good at it, your account's pretty much blown. I've seen a lot of people who does really well, like Devin has good success, but also people just have a bad streak with doing that and just keep blowing accounts. I don't recommend it to new traders though. That scalping style, yeah, that's just no good. Damn, can we rally from this point on? Like really push up here? I'm seeing markets looking like more positive. I'm seeing it holds here. I'm seeing a lot of things trying to hold here. I wonder if we get continuation. I, the baddest part about this is my stop is pretty tight. Stop is pretty tight here, but I'm okay with that. Because if we break down the structure, I could retest this resistance here again and then go up. So realistically, I could have my stop around here. Just be safe. Since my last trade, I'll hit my DLL. Day loss limit is 3,000. Just in case. And this barcoding here again. Damn it. Well, now it's not looking good at all. And golf and Canada just got played twice. And we barcoding here. We need to hold previous day high and just stay above there. And if we just stay up here and chop around here, we'd be great. Meta network is down. That's great. All right. Here's the retest of that rocket launch.
Hi,
Yes.
hi.
Yes.
SpaceX, SpaceX almost
IPO.
IPO. SpaceX,
Yeah.
famous SpaceX. You know that, right?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
know.
SpaceX.
I know. I know.
You think when SpaceX come out, market will go up?
I think so. I think so. Based on what the price action is doing right now, I think it's gonna
How
lift
do
the market.
how do you how did you spell that sticker, Thái?
SpaceX?
How do you spell
I'm
that
not sure.
sticker? Yeah.
I'm not sure. Let me look. I'm not sure. Good
Okay.
question. Let me look for it. It probably won't even show up on my trading view, but oh look. Do, 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 do. Last one eval. Good job.
Huh.
Space X. So it's SPCX. SPCX.
SPC
X.
X. Oh, SPC X.
Yep.
X like X-ray, right?
X like X-ray.
S
Yeah.
like Sam, P like pause. Oh, excellent, excellent.
Yeah.
SPCX. Okay,
Yep.
thank you. Okay.
Oh, you got an Apex account? That sucks. Yeah, you passive, but it's still an Apex. Hope for the best for you. Hope you get paid there. Hate that company. Minnie, your mic is still on. Can you please mute yourself? I don't think she's muted, so I'm gonna mute her. What time is the IPO anyways? Like 8? Long, you know what time the IPO?
They just announce it whenever. I got a stream on, so I'll let you know when I see it on.
All right, thanks, man.
You got it. They're talking about opening at 169.
Damn. Ah, damn it. Come on, don't stop me out now. Let me be part of this IPO, man. About to ruin my fun now. Fuck. Wow, that was close. I'm still not out the woods yet, but that was really close. That was really close. No, don't do it again. Don't do it again. Get back up there. Ah, shit. They're trying to take me out. They're going to take these things, take me out for real this time. Oh yeah, they take me out.
Order filled.
All right. Well, guys, I try. I try. Very good attempt there. I'm sure you guys made some money on that second long. So hope you guys locked your account up. But I hit DLL day. My XFA is green. I locked that out, so I'm not worried to that. But couldn't pass this account today. Might have to fight again next week. Very curious to see if the market will lift up on this IPO, but we broke right now. Looking bad. We broke underneath that prior support. Now just broke underneath it. It's not looking good here. Who knows? Who knows? Things might change once the IPO comes out, but right now it's selling off. Selling off pretty hard too. On Top Step you can't. But my combine I was already up quite a bit, so I need like 2,500 to pass. So you see here, I've been trading. It's not my first time trading. I've been trading on this combine for like at least 2 weeks now. Still end the week positive 586, but still this has an intraday deal of 3,000. So I need, yeah, now I need to work hard again next week. Try to pass it. But yeah, you can't pass compound within day. I mean, you kind of can if you play like the New York and Asia session. So it kind of like, yes, you could technically pass it in a day because the session difference. So the different session is actually considered a new day. But in real life, your age should overlap the same day, right? You get what I'm saying? So you technically you can pass in one day, but very risky, yeah. With like 150K account, a big account, I don't aim for passing like in 2 days. Or I try to prolong it and see if it gets close to it, then I'll try to pass. Like today, no, I was pretty close. Like I just need like 2,200 to pass. So that's why I took a bigger risk today. But now, yeah, there's no point here. Still positive for the week on this account, but gave back a lot. And this is a practice account. Hopefully, some of you guys made some money, locked in some money, at least break even. I know we had a first loss on our first trade, but that second trade was a banger. Uh, yeah, you can't complain about that second trade. If you didn't take profit, that's really on you. Because the way how we ran up there, that's a big move. Friday got to be. I'll be on to 8 o'clock. I'll stick around till 8. Oh man, my options now is lost more than 12%. Didn't take profit. Now I'm down 37% on that damn thing. It's crashing. Damn, in hindsight, if I would have long on that golfing candle trend break, I think that would definitely would have passed me. But hindsight, right? That would have passed me. But we were playing safe, I wanted to see that resistance get taken out. And that was a good move. We long around there. Yeah, we got like at least a 1 or 2. All right, things are selling back off down here. Testing this Asia low.
P6 might be pretty soon.
Oh yeah. Let's see, man.
$165 open.
Strong. So it is gonna be at 8 o'clock. Seems like 8 o'clock is the IPO.
Hey, so since it's like the largest IPO, even when they're gonna sell off or whatever, if they sell off, it's still gonna be the largest IPO, huh?
Yeah, this is the one of the largest IPO history. And you don't try to get into IPO price. You know how it works, man. It gets pumped and dumped like a meme stock.
Oh, totally. I'm just gonna. This guy's gonna trade it, but he's just gonna quick scalp
Oh,
it
look at
anyways,
this
though.
shit. Oh my god. Look at that, bro. Oh, yeah. Should have waited for that, kid. But London High is gonna get smashed. That is wicked. Look at that thing. But you look at that, fuck. My goodness. London High is gonna get taken out.
Trump saying something on Iran.
Did he? Motherfucker, why didn't he say something earlier?
Yeah, he's saying something like they've never been closer or something.
Oh my god, he owed me some money, man.
Me too.
You should have hold it.
He owed me some money, man.
Right? Look at this. It's all jumped up.
Order filled.
All right, this is a practice count. I'm just gonna see how it goes here. Let's say we go long. Breakout London High. Breakout Honda, we see 710. Got positive news. Couple that with the SpaceX IPO. That should ignite the market. That should ignite the market, man. Damn you, Trump. Trump. Damn you. We have lift up. Okay, SpaceX IPO just happened. Whatever. So a lot of you guys have asked me about like where do I put my stop loss and stuff like that. So it's all like I said, most of the time it's subjective. Like if you aim for 1 or 2, then your stop is here. But let's say if you want your stop here, you see the next candle low, then your risk reward has to come lower, right? But if you have a target somewhere like, okay, I'm aiming for London High here, all right, then make sure your stop is around right here, and last candle low. Most of my stops is usually the last candle low, or when I see there's too close, I want to give it some space, and I give it some space. But after that, let's say if my stop is here, like I want my stop to here, give it some space, just because of technical levels, then I want my profit take to be higher. So use the measuring tool. See, I would want my profit take me around here if my stop is here. If the stop is tighter, then you lower your profit target to match up with your risk to reward. I hope that helps when it comes to stop loss, take profit, and all that stuff. Just use this tool; it will help you out a lot. The long position, short position tool, the measuring tool, is going to help you tremendously. So there's really no guessing, Just understand your risk, because tight stop, you usually get stop out. Wider stop, more risky, but it won't stop you out of your position. You tend to hold a bit longer, wait for the move to develop. And they also have to look at your account balance, like how much can you risk as a stop loss? Like, can you really risk 500 on a small account? Can you risk like $1,000 stop loss on a small account? No, you can't, right? So you have to make that judgment too. Sometimes you can't help it but have a tight stop loss because of your account size. Well, my QQQ call is still up. I still held that though. I didn't sell that. I'm up by $100 now. Up 23%. I'm still looking for that London high break, and I'm look probably sell. So I'm so happy. They made some money. Give me London high. Give me London high. That's all we want to see. Another thing you want to like trail up. See if you have 5, if you have 10 con coming, you want to start trimming half, market sell, and then just use this and just trail up. That way you can capture the most of it halfway without like just FOMO and taking 5 out. Just try to capture the most out of the 5. This is how you do it. You use this to trail. Here's your 5 con right here, for example, right? I'm just trailing this candle here now. If it comes down and stop it, okay, cool. I'll take profit there. If it does, it goes higher, then I'll trail up and try to capture the next high of it. That way, when when you're securing profit, you're securing the most out of it. Yeah, at this point, I would probably adjust the break even too. You're definitely in profit. Here we go. 8 o'clock. What will it do? What will it do? A London high is gonna, yeah, it's gonna take it out. It's so close. It's gonna take it out. See, now I want to just trail this up some more. So close. And when it gets so close to you, like a certain point, you just trail up a little tighter. You know, I'm gonna trail a little tighter here. London hit. Bam. London about to hit. Smash it. London high.
Order filled.
Let's go, hey! Fuck. I love it. I love it when my members show me that they're making money, bro. That's cool. I understand. Show me loss. I'll feel your pain. Show me win. I'll celebrate with you. You know, we're in this together. We're in this together. I love it. I love it. Good job, eh? Fired, bro. Fire. Smashing London high here. Pin 5, and then here's the rest. And then what happened? You just trail up again. So you're locking some more products. You see how I locked in 5 earlier? Now this is how you trail up, candle by candle. If I have 5 contract, I want to secure half of it, right? Now I have the 5 left. I'm already up about 1,000. We're still up. We try to see the break of London high. This is next level high. If it breaks that, we kick some more profit. If not, it's okay. We're still gonna trim for $635, right? And that's how you manage your risks. That's how you manage it. Look at that. Just play it. Play that candle. See right here. 30 seconds left in this candle. Wait the candle close. See what it does, and I'll trail up to this candle right here. I'm just gonna trail up. here. Now I'm trailing up again. $700. I think we break out of this. Come on. Well, up 37%. I think I'm just gonna take profit here.
Order filled.
There it goes. Now you're completely out, which is fine, right? You captured the most of it. Most of the move, you lock in profit. You even hit the target London high right there. So that's a good move. That's a good move. Anyways, guys, I'm out. Wish that was my accountable for the other one, but it isn't. You know, shit happens. Can't win every single day. And good luck to you all, guys, man. Hope you guys make some money today. Hope you guys made money on 2 of that move. Right here and right there, that long. Hey,
All right.
Fatel.
Thank you, and Ty. Good day, man.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, thanks for coming in, man. Hope you guys learned something. All right, Papa. See you on Monday. See you, Lucas. See you, Sean.
All right, brother. Have a good weekend.
You too.